Transform your images into captivating video content for social media ads, website banners, and PDP pages effortlessly with Caimera's Move tool. The tool adds dynamic motion to each uploaded image and seamlessly stitches them together into a cohesive video. To begin generating your video, simply click Create with Move on the homepage. Upload an image and enter a simple prompt to generate a video. Enter concise prompts using the video instruction space describing desired model poses, movements, and camera movements. 4 seamless PDP page videos. Include a start and end frame if you envision the video concluding with a back view or a different product angle. You can upload 1 to 10 images of the same size in a Move job. Each image you add contributes 5 seconds to your final video. Easily control the sequence of your clips by simply dragging and dropping them into your preferred order. Remember, Move focuses on adding movement to existing elements. It cannot introduce new props or background elements not already present in your uploaded images. Have fun generating stunning videos for your social media content and website.